Mr. Hiccups. Mr. Hiccups. Bring us a hiccup. Come on, Chase. Won't you please hiccup? One more. No?